Open new tab and switch to it. View source. Start read aloud.
Voice computing. Voice computing is the discipline that develops hardware or software to process voice inputs. 1. It spans many other fields including human-computer interaction, conversational computing, linguistics, natural language processing, automatic speech recognition, speech synthesis, audio engineering, digital signal processing, cloud computing, data science, ethics, law, and information security. Voice computing has become increasingly significant in modern times, especially with the advent of smart speakers like the Amazon Echo and Google Assistant, a shift towards serverless computing, and improved accuracy of speech recognition and text-to-speech models.
Start read aloud.
4-day workweek. A 4-day workweek is an arrangement where a workplace or place of education has its employees or students work or attend school, college, or university over the course of 4 days per week rather than the more customary 5-day workweek. 1. This arrangement can be a part of flexible working hours and is sometimes used to cut costs. The 4-day week movement has grown considerably in recent years, with increasing numbers of businesses and organizations around the world trialing and moving permanently to a 4-day working week of around 32 hours, with no less pay for workers. Most of these businesses and organizations have involved white-collar work and found that a 4-day week is a win-win for employees and employers, as trials have indicated that it leads to a better work-life balance, lower stress levels, and increased productivity, mainly by eliminating wasted work time. An overwhelming majority of studies report that a 4-day week leads to increased productivity and decreased stress, though experts question whether this arrangement is possible in blue-collar work, where there may be little wasted time, or workers would be required to work faster to maintain the same productivity, potentially increasing stress levels and decreasing safety.
Stop
2,
read aloud.
3, 4.
Close tab. Close window. Reset page zoom. Next tab. Previous tab. Zoom in. Zoom out. Open clear browsing data options. Go back. Go forward. Open homepage. Close window. Open help.